Hello, let's talk about number forms. There are three different forms, three different ways to write a number. The first one is the way that we're most familiar with, which is standard form. That is just a number, right? Another example of a number in standard form might be 16. Word form, I'm going to skip expanded for now. Word form is, as you would guess, the number in words. So if I was going to write out 16 in words, it would look like this. This large number from before, it's 23,901,054. Expanded form is a way of writing numbers as the sum of the value of its digits. You might know expanded form in fourth grade as looking something like this. So the sum of the value of its digits. So sum is an adding problem. So there I've added. And when you add all those digits together, you're going to end up back at your original number. Okay, this is what we call fourth grade expanded form. And the reason we call it fourth grade expanded form is because it looks a little different than what we do in fifth grade. In fifth grade, we need to pull each of the numbers apart to show place value. Right now, these numbers don't show place value. There is no such thing as the 2 millions place or the 50s place. So you'll see each one of those numbers was pulled apart to make a multiplication problem showing the place value. Let me jump ahead here and we'll do an example of expanded form. So if I have this number here in fourth grade expanded form, I might have started by writing 5 million plus 900,000 plus 1,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 2. This might be fourth grade expanded form. However, we're in fifth grade now, so we need to take this answer of expanded form and expand it even more to show place value. Let's do it together. The first one is 5 million. There is no such thing as the 5 millions place, but there is a 1 millions place. So instead of 5 million, I'm going to write it as 5 times a million because they're the same value, but this guy shows place value. Instead of 900,000, because there is no 900,000s place, I'm going to pull it apart to look like 9 times 100,000 because those two values are the same, but this one shows place value. It's more expanded. 1,000 I'm going to pull apart to look like 1 times 1,000. 400 is 4 times 100. 50 is 5 times 10. 2 is 2 times 1. So you'll see now I can see the place values of each number because a million is a place value and 100,000 is a place value and 1,000 is a place value and 100 and 10 and 1. But leaving it in fourth grade expanded form, we can't do anymore because it's not expanded enough for us. The directions also ask for word form. To write a number in word form, I'm just going to read it out loud to myself. It looks like 5,900,000. 901,000. 450. Can I fit it on the line? 2. Beautiful. Okay. Let's go back and work on example 2. So the human eye blinks an average of this number times a year. Write that number in word and expanded form. I'm going to fill in the place value chart. That might make it easier for me to read. I can read it as 5,500,000. And then we wouldn't say 000. 5,500,000. In word form, exactly how I read it aloud, 5,500,000. If we were in fourth grade, our expanded form would look like this. But we're in fifth grade now, so we've got to expand that even farther. 5 million, I can instead say is 5 times a million. And you'll notice me adding parentheses here. That That just keeps me organized. So I suggest parentheses for you as well. They go around the multiplication, not around the adding. And then instead of 500,000, 5 times 100,000. Hope that was a helpful overview of word form and expanded form. Now that we're in 5th grade, we're looking for 5th grade expanded form. They're going to be great.